Hi, my name is Eric. Welcome to the CHCNAV navigation. Today, we're going to show you about the Apache 4 ADCP float measurement kit here. And now, let's get into the hardware of this product. The Apache 4 ADCP kit has two parts here. The first part is about the Apache 4 ship, and the second part is about the Riverstar ADCP here. So inside the Apache 4 kit, we have the ship itself and the holder for the ship. Also including 2 batteries for the ship and 2 batteries for backup. 2 RC antennas and 1 4G antennas. Also the Android remote control and other accessories. For the Riverstar, we have the ADCP and other connectors and accessories. Now we go to the installation part of the ship. First we put the ship on the holder. First we start with the installation of the batteries. Once the battery is installed, we need to make sure the bracket is tight enough. Then we need to check the power cables to connect it to it. Then we need to install the antennas on the ship. We have 3 antennas on the ship. The shorter one is for the 4G, and the 2 is for the remote controller. When you are putting them on, just to make sure to match the stickers on the ship one by one. So we go to the installation part of the ADCP now. First, we need to connect it to the cable via the holder, then to the ADCP. Then it's time to mount the ADCP onto its bracket. Just twist those screws tight to secure it. And also we need to remember we put the ADCP in place and we are using screws to secure it. So after the ADCP is down here, we need to make sure that the hatch is down. And we secure these screws and we're ready to roll now. When everything is set up, we need to put the ship to outdoors to an unobstructed area. Just hold on the power button here to turn the USB on. You will hear some music playing from inside, which means everything is good. Next, let's wait for it to search for satellites. You will see the red light on the left start blinking. That's our satellite search indicator. The number of blinks tells you how many satellites it's locking onto. So if it's blinking like this, your ship is pretty much in tip-top shape. You need to point to where the satellites are and give a close-up of the blinking statues. The guide on the other side is for letting us know about the positioning statues. When the ship locks onto a fixed position, the guide will stay on. To make our measurement more convenient and efficient, we got our eSIM 10 Android remote controller here. It takes 4 hours to charge to the fullest, and it can use for 5 hours continuously. The device comes with the built-in rechargeable batteries that is compatible with the Type-C interface, which is the same one that you use for your phone, camera, and other gadgets. Up top on the remote, you will find a bunch of slots for pretty much anything you might need. If your remote needs to hop on the cellular data, just slide a SIM card into the SIM card slot, and you are connected just like a phone. If you want to move some data around, grab the data cable that came with your remote, plug it into the Type-C slot, and the other end into the computer to complete the data transfer. If you are looking to show your data on a bigger screen, there's an HDMI port for you to put the remote display onto a larger screen. If you have a ton of work and don't want to delete any of your data here, we also support 128 GB SD card inside this controller. And also remember, before you go to work, you need to check the EasySell software installed on this controller because all the work relies on the EasySell software installed on this controller here. This is all the contents about today's video. If you want to learn more about the Apache 4 ADCP software or the other CHCNAV navigation product, please subscribe to these channels. And see you in the next video.